Good morning, students. We are live now. Good morning, students. We are live. So, Matthew has joined. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, good morning, Likita, Yashashwini, Navya, Aditya, Jayashree. Okay, thank you for confirming. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic. So, since we are solving question papers, we have already solved one question paper and we completed yesterday. So in today's class, a new question paper we are going to start. So that is the board paper 2023. We are going to start today 2023 board paper. So full paper we will solve. This question paper we are going to solve. This is part 1. This is first class. So let's start from the question number 1. So maybe some questions we have done earlier also because many previous year papers, previous year questions we have done. So uh, maybe little fast I will do. Okay, because most of the questions we have done earlier. Okay, so we'll try to complete this paper little fast as compared to the previous one because so many questions we have done earlier also. Okay, so let's start from question number 1. I want you people to solve the questions along with me and share your answers. So first question you can see on my screen. The question is MCQs first. So this question is from matrices. You have to solve the value of x and y. So it is from matrix multiplication. So two matrices are getting multiplied. What's the order of both the matrices? What is the order of this matrix? 2004. I want you people to give me the answers. What is the order of the first matrix? Yes, it is 2 into 2. And what about the matrix with which it is getting multiplied? The XY matrix. It's getting with XY. So this is 2 into 1. 2 into 1. And the resultant matrix is also 2 into 1. So you can see here, these two, if number of columns of first one is equals to number of rows of second one. So then multiplication is possible. And moreover, the outer one, if you see, this is the order of the resultant. So 2 into 1, you can see order of the resultant. Now matrix multiplication. So rows of the first one and column of the second one. Row of the first one and column of the second one we have to multiply. So 2 into x is 2x plus 0 into y is 0y. So one column and one row will give us only one element. 0 into x is 0x plus 4 into y is 4y. This is equals to 2 minus 8. So 2x plus 0y is 2x. 0x plus 4y is 4y. So now both the sides we have single matrices of order 2 into 1. So we can compare the element. So first element with first element we can compare. So 2x is equals to 2. X is equals to, so 2 we will shift to other side. So 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So x value we got 1. You can share your answers. 4y is equals to minus 8. So second element we can compare. Y is equals to minus 8 by 4. So 4 when we shift to other side it will get divided. So this is equals to minus 2. Y's value is equals to minus 2. Yes, so option A, x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 2. Jayashree has given the answer good. I want you people to solve the questions along with me. So this question was really easy. We had to find the value of x and y with the help of matrix multiplication. So option A, when you are writing your answers, write answer as well as the option. Okay, let's do question number 2. Question number 2, you can see if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus kx minus 12, then find the value of k. So this is from our remainder and factor theorem, you can see. So x minus 2, if it is a factor, so is a smaller polynomial. If this is a factor, we'll equate it with equals to 0 and find the value of x. So x minus 2 is equals to 0. So if I shift to other side, so x value I get equals to 2. So this value of x I have to substitute in the second polynomial, which is here given to us as a cubic polynomial, as highest degree of the variable is 3. So x cube minus kx minus 12. So what we will get here, f of 2 is equals to 0 because x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor, that means f of 2 is equals to 0. So fx is given to us as x cube minus kx minus 12. So f of 2 means 2, at place of x I have to write 2. So this is 2 cube minus, yes, so this is a repeated question because I already told you so many questions we have done. Okay, so it's good. You people remember the question. So 2 cube minus kx, k into 2 minus 12. So f of 2 we know it is 0. So I have told you because x minus 2 is a factor. 2's cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube is 8. Don't multiply 2 with 3. Because some students will do that also. So 2's cube is 8 minus 2 into k is 2k minus 12. Like terms we can add. So 8 minus 12, 8 and minus 12 like terms. So 8 minus 12 is minus 4 minus 2k. So minus 4 will shift to this side. Minus 4 when we'll shift it will become positive 4. So minus 2, 4 is equals to minus 2. Now minus 2 we will shift to other side. So 4 minus 4 divided by minus 2 because it's getting multiplied here. So we can do now cancellation. So k's value will get equals to minus 2. Yes, so minus 2 is the correct answer, option C. So when you are writing, you have to write answer as well as the option. K is equals to minus 2, option C. Okay, let's do next question. Only one student is answering. I want every one of you to answer. So this question is from circles, tangents and intersecting chords, you can see. So in the given diagram, RT is a tangent touching the circle as S. If angle PST is equals to 30 degree, you can see the angle outside, the angle between chord and tangent. So SP is chord. SP is what? SP is chord. SP is chord and TS. TS is what, or TR you can say. TS is tangent. So angle between chord and tangent is 30 degree. Angle between chord and tangent is 30 degree. Then SPQ. SPQ, if you see the other angle inside this triangle, this angle, this is equals to 60 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find angle PSQ. We have to find angle PSQ. So this angle we have to find. Yes, so how to do this question? So you should get hint always. Now one angle is given to us between chord and tangent. If any angle is between chord and tangent, so we have learnt one property. We have learnt one result. That means if the angle is between chord and tangent, then angle in the alternate segment, is equal to this angle, is equal to the given angle. Like here given angle is SPT or PST. Yes, angles in the alternate segments are equal. If the angle is between chord and tangent, then angle in the alternate segment. How to figure out the alternate segment now? So you have to see the endpoints of the chord where they are meeting on the angle. So endpoints of the chord like S and P, if you see, so S and P, they are meeting on circle at point Q. So that means this angle is equals to also 30 degree. This angle is also equals to 30 degree. So angle PQS, angle PQS is also equals to 30 degree. PQS is equals to 30 degree. Now we have to find angle QSP. So this angle we have to find PQS, you can say. So angles in a triangle we will use sum of angles in a triangle, because in triangle if you know two angles, the third one we can find by angle sum property of a triangle. So in triangle PSQ, angle PSQ plus angle PQS plus angle QPS. This is equals to 180 degree. So PSQ we have to find. PSQ as it is, I am going to write this Q angle is 30 degree and P angle is 60 degree, is equals to 180 degree. So angle PSQ is equals to 60 plus 30 is 90. So 180, this 90 will shift to other side. 180 minus 90 is equals to 90 degree. Yes, so Navya has given the answer. So option D, 90 degree is the correct answer. Option D, 90 degree. Let's do next question. Question number 4th. This is a question of probability. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the English alphabets. So one letter is chosen from the letters of the English alphabets. The probability that the letter chosen is a vowel. First of all, probabilities formula we know. Probability, now probability of a vowel we have to find. Probability, we know it is favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Now that we have to find the probability of a vowel. How many English alphabets we have? So total alphabets, how many we have? English alphabets, because from that only we have to choose. So total outcomes will be total number of alphabets. So total number of alphabets we know it is 26, and out of 26, yes. So how many vowels we have? So that is favorable outcomes. How many vowels we have? Out of 26, how many vowels? 5 vowels are there, and vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You have to remember, say I am discussing few other things also, so that if you are getting similar type of question, you will be able to attempt it. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so 5 vowels are there. So answer is favorable outcomes 5. So outcomes you can write, and total outcomes 26. So 5 by 26 is the answer. Option B. Option B. See, if any alphabet is not a vowel, other alphabets are known as consonants. Consonants. Okay, so consonant means nothing but non-vowel. Okay, so you have to be good with these terminologies. So if any alphabet is not a vowel, it is a consonant. Consonant. Okay, so this is not vowel, not a vowel. So remaining all alphabets are consonants. So I hope you are clear with this terminologies, because there might be asked what is the probability of a consonant. So you should be knowing what is the meaning of consonant. Okay, let's do next question. Yes, if 3 is the root of the quadratic equation, the question is from quadratic equation. 3 is a root. If 3 is a root, root means solution. If 3 is a root of this quadratic equation, if, if 3 is root, that means if I substitute the value of x as 3, then I'll be getting my answer as 0. So f of 3 will be 0 here. So we will not write it in polynomial form, because it's given to us in quadratic equation. So x square minus px plus 3 is equals to 0. since it is a root, since 3 is a root, root means solution. So when we substitute the value of x as 3, when we will substitute the value of x as 3, our answer will be 0. So 3 square minus px, p into 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. That time answer I will get 0. So 3 square is 9, 3 square means 3 into 3. We don't have to multiply 3 into 2, it's 3 into 3. So common mistakes, when I tell you can listen to those mistakes. So some students they'll multiply 3 into 2 also. So we have to avoid mistakes like this. Minus 3 into p is 3p plus 3 is equals to 0. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 3p is equals to 0. Now 12 we will shift to other side. So minus 3p is equals to minus 12. This plus 12 when we shift to other side it will be minus 12. So p is equals to minus 12 by minus 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 3 into 1, 3 into 4. So p's value will get equals to 4. Option A. Option A. P is equals to 4. Option A. Okay, let's do next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is from similarity. It is from similarity. So what's given to us? Angle BAP. So BAP you can see in the given figure it's equals to 70 degree and also DCP is equals to 70 degree. And CA's value is given to us as 4 centimeter and CP or PC is given to us as 6 centimeter. What we have to find here? We have to find the ratio of PD is to dB. PD is to dB. So this ratio we have to find. So dB is to, so this side's ratio. This side's ratio. So this we have to find. Now how to do this thing? See, first of all we can use. Okay, Madhusudan, good morning. Okay, so first of all we have to see here if these two angles are equal. If angle A is equals to angle C. In similarity, we have learned few rules. So now if you say this is P, if I just redraw the triangle in this way, PBA, the triangle is like this. Here one line is there. So I have D point and C point here. So this angle is equals to 630 degree and 70 degree, and angle A is also equals to 70 degree. So this PC is given to us as 6 centimeter. PC is given to us as 6 centimeter and AC is given to us as 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the ratio of PD and DB. So ratio I have to find, that means their fraction. So how to find that? Two things are, two angles are given to us and the sides are given to us. So which rule of similarity we can use? I want to know if anyone remembers. Anyone? Because very less, 1 or 2 students responding today. So what we can use here? First of all, if these two angles are equal, what does it mean? What hint it's giving us? That angle C is equals to angle A. Angle C is equals to angle A. Are we getting any hint from here? We know angle A and angle C, they are equal. So are we getting any hint? Anyone? See, angle C and A, they are making a pair of corresponding angles. They are making a pair of corresponding angles. Yes, if they are making a pair of corresponding angles, which means CD is parallel to AB. CD is parallel to AB. So if C and A they are equal, so that means they are making a pair of corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are always formed on parallel lines. So this means CD is parallel to AB. If CD is parallel to AB, that means we can use BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Whenever like this you get parallel, whenever you get this parallel sides, you can use BPT. So what is BPT? If CD is parallel to AB, then the ratio of their sides, PD and DB, it is equals to PD is to DB is equals to PC into AC. So BPT we can use now. So the PD and DB we have to find. PC is given to us as 6 and AC is given to us as 4. So I'm just substituting their values, cancellation we can do. So 2 into 3, 2 into 2. So we have found the ratio of PD is to DB equals to 3 is to 2. So 3 is to 2, you can see this is option C. 3 is to 2 is option C. So whenever parallel line comes, BPT should come to your mind immediately. BPT means the ratio of the parts. The PD is to DB is equals to PC is to AC. So that you have to use. I hope this question is clear. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, yes, C option. Let's do next question. Next question is of GST. The printed price of an article is, so printed price means MRP. So MRP is given to us as, printed price is MRP is equals to 3080. If the rate of GST is 10%, then GST charge is. So here rate of GST is given to us as 10%. So GST charged in the form of rupees we have to find. So since there is no discount, so that means GST is will be charged on MRP only. So we can write 10%. GST is equals to 10% of 3080. So 10 by 100 into 3080. So which is equals to 308. Yes. So option B. This question also I believe many times we have done earlier. So B option is the correct answer. Because only GST we had to find. So GST is 10% of this, of the price given. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, so this is a question of trigonometrical identities. So 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. Its value we have to find. So at starting, which identity we can use, because it's giving us a hint of this one. So A plus B into A minus B. This form is given to us. A plus B into A minus B. So this is equals to A square minus B square. A plus B, yes. So this is equals to A square minus B square. So this form is given to us, A plus B into A minus B. We can write it into A square minus B form, B square form. So A is 1 minus B is sine A. So 1 square minus sine square A, or 1 square is 1 only, 1 minus sine square A. 1 minus sine square A, again our mind should go to square relations. So square relations we have done. So first square relation is sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. 1 plus tan square A is equals to secant square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosecant square A. So in between some other things I will be telling so that you can revise. Okay, so first relation we are using here. So from first relation sine square, if we shift to other side, here I'll get cos square A is equals to 1 minus sine square A. 1 minus sine square A here we have. So that means 1 minus sine square A's value is cos square A. So which option? Option D. So D option is the correct answer. So this was very easy. So because as I've told you, algebraic identities should be always in your mind. So this is very simple identity, A plus B into A minus B, but we should know how to change it. So we have to change into this form. Afterwards, square relations we have to use. So square relations, 1 minus sine square A is equals to cos square A. So D option. Let's do next question. The coordinates of vertices of a triangle ABC. So coordinates of vertices of a triangle are given to us. So A's coordinates -4. I'll just name it. So ABC triangle is there. So A's vertice is -4 comma -2. B's vertice is 6 comma 2. C's vertice C's coordinates 4 comma 6. Coordinates of A -4 -2. Coordinates of B 6 comma 2. Coordinates of C 4 comma 6. So we have to find the coordinates of the centroid. What's the formula of centroid? So we have done the formula of centroid. So if this is a triangle, so centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. So you can remember with the mnemonic CM. CM. Okay, so like chief minister. So just I am just giving you a mnemonic. So centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. Centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. So like this point is the centroid. So centroid's coordinates will write as xy. Yes, so x is x1. X we can find by using the formula. Jayashree has given the formula. So centroid's x coordinate we write as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1 plus x1 is -4 plus 6 plus 4 by 3. -4 and +4 will get cancelled. So 6 by 3. So 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So x value we are getting equals to 2. So y we can find, y coordinate we can find, y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. y1 here is -2. y2 is 2 plus 6 by 3. So plus 2 and -2 will get cancelled. Again 6 by 3 is equals to 2. So y is also equals to 2. X is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. So option A. A option. The coordinates of centroid are 2 comma 2. Option A. So centroid you have to remember it's a point of intersection of all medians. So let's do next question. Question number 10th. So 11th we 10th we have 9th we have done. So question number 10th. The nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1. Nth term we write as an. Symbol of nth term is an. So an is equals to 2n plus 5. An is equals to 2n plus 5. We have to find 10th term. We have to find 10th term. So that means n's value is what? N's value is equals to 10. Yes, so Navya has given the answer 25. So A10 we have to find. So that means n's value we have to, wherever you see n, wherever you see n, write its value as 10. So 2 into n's value I am writing as 10 plus 5. So 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. So 10th term is equals to 25. Option C. C option. Let's do next question. Question number 11th. The mean proportional between 4 and 9. Mean proportional between 4 and 9. So this is from ratio and proportion. The ratio and proportion was a, like I guess we have done. It was from very first few chapters which we did. So what is the formula of mean proportional? What's the formula of mean proportional? Mean proportion between 4 and 9. So I want you people to tell the formulas. I hope you remember. Mean proportionals formula. Yes, B square is equals to AC. Mean proportional means three terms are there. So three terms are there where 4 is first term. Mean proportion which we have to find, we'll consider it as second term, and third term is 9. And third term is 9. So first term is A, second term is B, and third term is C. So its formula of mean proportional is B square is equals to AC. B square is equals to AC. Where A, B and C, they are proportional. They are in continued proportion. They are in continued proportion. When three terms are proportional, we say they are in continued proportion. So here B square is equals to AC. A is 4, C is 9. 4 into 9 is 36. When square we shift to other side, it will become square root. So square root of 36 is equals to 6. So B is equals to 6. Option B. Option B. 6. Let's do next question. Which of the following cannot be determined graphically for a grouped frequency distribution? So which one we cannot determine graphically? This is very simple. We have done this question earlier also. See, this question has come in 2023 paper. Yes, it is mean. It is mean. Mean is cannot be calculated graphically. Because three methods we have learned. Direct method, then shortcut method, and step deviation method. So these methods we use to find mean. So mean cannot be determined graphically because median we use ogive graph. For median we use ogive graph and mode we use histogram. And same for quartiles also we use ogive graph. Okay, so but for mean we use three methods. So graphically we can't determine mean. Okay, so it's done. Let's do next question. Question number 13. Yes, it is also yesterday's question. So you can see from this paper, the question has come. Volume of a cylinder of height. So cylinder is there. Cylinder's volume is given to us. Its height is 3 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter and volume is given to us. Volume of cylinder is equals to 48 pi. Radius we have to find. We have to find radius of see volume is given to us, that means we have to use volume's formula only. So what is the formula volume of cylinder? What's the formula of volume of cylinder? What is the formula volume of cylinder? Mensuration question. What's the formula volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. Yes, so pi r square h. It is equals to 48 pi. Now r we have to find. So r we will keep on this side. R will keep on this side. Pi and h we will shift to other side. So pi as it is I will write because the volume is in terms of pi. So h is 3 centimeters. So 3 I am just substituting its value. Now pi and 3 when we shift to other side, both of them here they are getting multiplied. When we shift it to other side they will get divided. So it is 3 into pi. So they'll get divided, pi and pi will get cancelled, 3 into 1, 3 into 16. So r square is equals to 16. So when square we will shift to other side, it will become square root. When square we shift to other side, it will become square root. See, square root is always plus and minus. Square root is always plus and minus, but we are finding a radius. Radius only positive we have to consider. Okay, so r we are getting plus minus 4. R we are getting plus minus 4, but only positive we have to consider because radius cannot be negative. Therefore, R is equals to plus 4 centimeter. So option C is so 4 centimeter. Option C. Jayashri has given the answer. C option 4 centimeter. So you should know the formula. See, you can see very simple questions, but you should be very good with the formulas. The 14th question. Naveen deposits. So this is a question from banking. Naveen deposits rupees 800 every month in a recurring deposit account for 6 months. So every month the amount which is deposited, so that is P principal. This is equals to 800. Time is given to us. Time is N. N is equals to 6 months. And he receives 4,884 at the time of maturity. So that means maturity value is given to us. that is 4,884. Then the interest he earns. So interest we have to find. So I we have to find. Since MV is given to us, so we will use MV's formula. We'll use maturity values formula. So what's the formula of MV? Maturity value. The formula of MV is equals to P into N plus I. P into N plus I. So simple formula here, we are not going to use I's formula. So maturity value is equals to 4,884. P is equals to 800 into N is 6 plus I. So 4,800 plus I. So this is 4,884. So this will shift to this side. So 4,884 minus 4,800 is equals to I. So what is the answer? 84. Option A. Monish, Likhita and Jayashree has given the answer 84. So interest earned is equal to rupees 84. So option A. Option A. Let's do next question. 15th question. The solution set for the inequation. Solution set for the inequation. So inequation is given to us 2x plus 4 less than equals to 14. So here you have to say x belongs to whole numbers. X belongs to whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0. No decimals, no fraction. 0, 1, 2 up to so on. It starts from 0, no decimals and fractions. No decimals and fractions. So you have to remember, many times students, they get confused what are whole numbers, natural numbers or real numbers. So whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0. So we have to find the solution set. So solution set we have to find. First of all, let's find the value of x. Then we will see the solution set. So 4 will shift to other side. So 2x is less than equals to 4. So 14 minus 4. Because plus 4 when we shift to other side, minus 4. So 2x is less than equals to 10. X is less than equals to 10 by 2. So 2 we have to shift to other side, so it will get divided. X is less than equals to 5. X is less than equals to 5. So solution set, it will be all whole numbers less than equals to 5. Whole number starts from 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. We have to include 5 also because it is equal to 5 also. So which option? Option B. Anika and Likhita has given the answer. Option B. Even Jayashree has given answer B option. So here we have completed MCQs. So in 2023 you can see there were no assertion and reason type of questions, and MCQs also are quite simple. But you might not get the same. So you have now the changed pattern. So but I wanted you people to get the idea. So that's why this paper I am solving. Let's start. Let's do now question number 2. Question number 2. So first question, 15 MCQs we have solved. Now we are going to start question number 2. So what's given to us in question number 2? So this is a subjective type of question. So whenever we are attempting these questions, we have to write each and everything properly. So this is a 4-mark question. What's given to us? Find the value of a. If x minus a is a factor of polynomial 3x cube plus x square minus ax minus 81, we have to find the value of a. So since it's given to us x minus a is a factor, since x minus a is a factor of fx, I'll write. Fx is what? Fx is the given polynomial. Fx is equals to 3x cube plus x square minus ax minus 81. This is fx. So since x minus a is a factor, so that means first of all we'll find the value of x from this one by writing it equals to 0. So x minus a is equals to 0. Therefore, x value we are getting equals to a. If we shift minus a to other side, we will get positive a. So which means f of a is equals to 0. f of a is equals to 0. That means whenever we are in this polynomial, in the given polynomial, when we are writing the value of x as a, our answer will be equals to 0. Whenever we are writing the value of x as a, its answer will be 0. So let's do, because we have to find the value of f, we have to find the value of a. So we'll start our question from fa only. So fa is equals to, so in this polynomial, wherever you see x, replace it with a. So 3a cube plus a square minus a into x. So this is a into x. I am just replacing by x. X I am replacing by a minus 81. So f of a, we know it's equals to 0. So here this is 3a cube plus a square minus a square, a into a is a square minus 81. So plus a square and minus a will get cancelled. So minus 81, let's shift to other side. Minus 81, let us shift to other side. So 81 is equals to 3a cube. 81 is equals to 3a cube. Now 3 we have to shift to other side. If we shift 3 to other side, it will get divided. So 81 divided by 3 is equals to a cube. 81 divided by 3 will get answer equals to 27. So a cube is equals to 27. Now cube, when we shift to other side, it will become cube root. It will become cube root. So cube root of 27 is equals to 3. So A's value is equals to 3. A is equals to 3. So Jayashree and Likta has already given the answer before me. And I hope you are solving the question. See, 4 mark question, such a easy question has come. But still you can expect, but we have to prepare for the difficult ones. Okay, so this was very simple. I hope you have understood. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. The question was simple because x minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor, we'll find the value of x from this by writing this equals to 0. So we found the value of x equals to a. Now since this is a factor, so f of a will be 0. So in the given polynomial, x we substituted the value of x as a and we wrote it equals to 0, then we found the value of a. Let's do next question now. Question number 2, second part. So this question is of banking. This is again 4-mark questions you can see here. So whenever we are getting these type of questions, you have to write the given things and what we have to find. So Salman deposits rupees 1000 every month. So every month, monthly deposit amount is principal. So principal is given to us as 1000 in a recurring deposit account for 2 years. So time period is equals to 2 years. So here in banking we always use time period in months. So 2 years, so 1 year has 12 months. So 2 years will have 2 into 12, which is equals to 24 months. Okay, so year is bigger. Year to month, if we have to convert, multiplication. Bigger to smaller, always multiplication. So 1 year we know it is equals to 12 months. So that's why 2 years it is 2 into 12 months. Now he receives 26,000 on maturity. That means again maturity value is given to us. Maturity value is given to us as 26,000 because it's given he received this amount on maturity. What we have to find here? We have to find total interest earned. That means interest we have to find and rate of interest. We have to find R also. Interest and rate of interest. See, interest we have like in MCQs, just now we have done same type of question where P, N and MV is given and we have to find interest. So that means maturity values formula we will use. Maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. So we'll find interest with the help of maturity value. So maturity value is 26,000. I'm just substituting its value. Principal is 1000. N is 24 plus I. So 24 into 1000 is 24,000. So this 24,000 we just have to shift to other side. When we are shifting to other side, it will get subtracted. It will get subtracted. So 26,000 minus 24,000 is equals to I. I means interest. So interest earned is equals to 2,000. Interest earned is equals to 2,000. So we have found the interest. First part of the question is done, but each and everything should be written properly. First of all, what is given to us, what we have to find, that you have to write. Then formula. See, here also I have written the formula. So you also have to do the same way. Now we have got the interest. R we have to find. R we will find with the help of interest formula. So what is the formula of interest? It is P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. So interest is equals to 2000. Interest is equals to 2000. Principal is equals to 1000. N is equals to 24. N plus 1 will become 25. 24 plus 1 is 25 into R. R we have to find. So let it be R only. So 2 into 12 into 100. So we can do cancellation here. 2 zeros we can cancel. 2 into 12 is 24. That we can cancel. Now we are left with here this side 2000. So 110 is there. 10 into 25. 10 into 25 we can write 250. 250 into R. Other than that nothing is there. Now 250 will shift to other side. 250 if we shift to other side it will get divided. At this side it's getting multiplied. To 2000 by 250. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 25 into 8 is 200. 25 into 8 is 200. So R is equals to 8%. R is equals to 8%. Yes. So I can see Likhita and Jayashree has given the answer. Yes, R is equals to 8%. Let's do next question now. Question number 2, third part. Question number 2, third part. So this is a question of circles. What is given to us, you can see one figure. So whenever we are attempting question of geometry, first of all we have to write what is given to us. So and moreover I've already told you earlier also, you have to draw the figure on the answer sheet also. Okay, so answer sheet also you have to draw the figures. So like not with the compass and all, like little rough figure, but it should be neat. So given things I am writing here. Given is O is the center of the circle, CE is tangent, so you can write O is center, CE is tangent to the circle at A, so point of intersection, a point of contact is A, and also angle ABD. Angle ABD is equals to 26 degree. So ABD you can see here, this is ABD angle. So inside the triangle, this is equals to 26 degree. Then what we have to find? So to find you have to write given and and what we have to find. You have to find angle BDA. So four parts are there. Angle BDA, then angle BAD, angle BAD, angle CAD, angle ODB. So let me show you on the figure also. So BDA is this angle, BDA is this angle, angle BAD is this one. So the angle which I am highlighting now, CAD is outside, this angle between chord and tangent. ODB is this angle. So these angles we have to find. I hope you have drawn the figure and you will be finding along with me. So let's do the solution. So whichever angle you feel it's the easiest one, you can start with that one. Now if O is the center of the circle, what information we'll get about AB? We know O is center of the circle. O is center of the circle. So what information we get about AB? So AB you can see is a line. So what is AB? So Navya has given the answer BDA is equals to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? I want you to give the reason also. So, and my question here is, O is the center of the circle. If O is the center of the circle, then what information we will get about AB? Yes, so AB is diameter. If O is the center of the circle, then AB is diameter. AB is diameter, that means we are getting here semicircle. So because of that only, angle BDA is equals to 90 degree. Angle BDA is equals to 90 degree. Because angle subtended by diameter, or you can write angle in a semicircle, angle in a semicircle, or angle subtended by diameter. Anything is fine. Angle subtended by diameter. Subtended by diameter. So reason I am writing here, you also have to write the reason. See, if you see end points of diameter, they are making one angle on the circumference of the circle. So that angle is angle subtended by diameter. It should be on the circle. So that angle is always equals to 90 degree. So D angle we found is equals to 90 degree. First one, BDA is 90 degree. Okay, so afterward BAD, let's find BAD. BAD. So BAD is this one. I'll just highlight it now. So BAD, even A is 90 degree. A cannot be negative 90 degree. Even angle A is 90. So A cannot be negative, cannot be 90 full angle. This one can be 90. Angle between tangent and radius. This full is angle CAO will be 90. Angle CAO, that will be 90 degree. Angle between radius and tangent. With radius and tangent they are perpendicular. But BAD, CAD those are not equals to 90 degree. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Radius and tangent they are perpendicular, because of that this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, now we are not finding this one, we are finding this one. We are finding BAD. So BAD we can find, because in this triangle, now this we know, this is 90 degree and another angle is already given to us. So we can make use of angle sum property of a triangle. So in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, angle BAD plus angle ADB or BDA, anything you can write, plus angle ABD, ABD, it is equals to 180 degree. This is sum of angles of triangle, sum of angles in a triangle. So BAD we have to find, BAD we have to find, so BAD plus BDA is equals to 90 degree and ABD is 26 degree. So this is 90 degree plus 26 degree. It's equals to 180 degree. So angle BAD plus 90 plus 26 is equals to 90 plus 26, 116. Just keep on checking my calculations here. So 116 when we shift to other side, so BAD is equals to 180 minus 116. So 116 if we do, yes, 64. So BAD is equals to 64 degree. Angle BAD is equals to 64 degree. So second one is also done. BAD we found as 64 degree. Yes, now we have to find CAD. CAD is the angle between this one. CAD is angle between chord and tangent. So CAD is angle between chord and tangent. So I want you to tell me, when the angle is between chord and tangent, which property should come in our mind? The angle between chord and tangent. So chord is AD. So here this is the chord AD and tangent is CE. So CAD is the angle between chord and tangent. Yes, CAD is also equals to 26, because if you see, if you just move the endpoints of the chord is AD. AD is chord. If you just move along the endpoints, you can see they are meeting at point B on the circle. So this angle is the angle in the alternate segment. Okay, so angles, if they are between, if any angle is between chord and tangent, then angle in the alternate segment is equal. So that's what we will write. So this is point C. Angle CAD, this is angle CAD. CAD is equals to angle, so it's equals to angle ABD, which is equals to 26 degree. So reason you have to write, if angle is between chord and tangent, if angle is between, reason properly you have to write, make sure each and every reason you are writing. If angle is between chord and tangent, then angle in the alternate segment, then it is equals to angle in the alternate segment. Then this angle is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Alternate segment. So you have to write this line. So CAD is also done. CAD is equals to 26 degree. Now ODB. ODB is this angle. ODB is this one. If you see the smaller triangle, ODB. So this one we have to find. ODB is also equals to 26 degree. Why it is equals to 26 degree? ODB. Why ODB is equals to 26 degree? So which reason we have to use? ODB, it is equals to 26 degree. So that's correct. But what's the reason? Reason also you should tell. No reason. So OD and OB, they are making the radii. Angle in the isosceles triangle. Yes, good. So OD and OB, because being radius, they both are equal. So OD is equals to OB because the radii of the circle. So that's why both of these are equal. So therefore triangle ODB is isosceles triangle. So two sides, in when two sides are equal, so that means it's an isosceles triangle. So that's why the angles opposite to equal sides. So this is O, this is D, and this is B. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides. See, OD and OB are equal sides, and angles opposite to them, they are equal to each other. So this reason you can write. So we have completed question number second's third part also. So this is done. MCQs we have done, and then we have done third part. Do you want to do one more question, or we'll finish the class? Tomorrow we'll continue from second question. Shall we do tomorrow, or today one more question you want to do? I think it's already 6 o'clock. It's better if we continue tomorrow. But still I need your suggestion. Okay, so let us continue tomorrow. Today we have done question number 1 and question number 2. So question number 2 will continue tomorrow. Same time, 5 a.m. in the morning. So bye everyone. Have a wonderful day and all the best for your exams.